OpenAI's GPT-4o, a new era of conversational AI. OpenAI's new flagship model, GPT-4o, represents a major leap forward in AI capabilities. This model integrates text, vision, and audio into a single system. It's faster, cheaper, and more advanced than GPT-4 Turbo. Imagine an AI assistant that not only understands your words, but can also perceive the world around you through video and audio. It can engage in real-time conversations, adjusting its voice to convey emotions that match the moment. Sound too futuristic? Well, brace yourselves, because it's here. During OpenAI's Spring Update event on May 13, 2024, Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati described GPT-4o as a multimodal foundation model that reasons across voice, text, and vision. Key features of GPT-4o. Multimodal inputs. GPT-4o can process information across multiple modalities. Imagine having a video call with GPT-4o and showing it a picture of a beautiful landscape. Not only can it describe the image in detail, but it can also understand additional context provided through your voice and gestures. If you point to a specific part of the image and ask about a tree, GPT-4o can identify the species and provide a detailed response. Visual understanding. One of the standout features of GPT-4o is its ability to understand and discuss visual content. This capability opens up possibilities in education, healthcare, and creative industries. For example, a student could show GPT-4o a complex biology diagram, and the AI could provide detailed explanations, answer questions, and suggest additional resources. In healthcare, GPT-4o could assist doctors by analyzing medical images and suggesting potential diagnoses and treatments. Emotional intelligence, GPT-4o's ability to detect and convey emotions through audio inputs is another impressive feature. It can adjust its voice to match the emotional context of the interaction. For instance, if you're feeling frustrated, GPT-4o can detect this in your voice and respond with a more empathetic tone. This makes it a valuable tool in mental health, counseling, and customer service, where emotional intelligence is crucial. Accessibility and affordability. One of the most exciting aspects of GPT-4o is its accessibility and affordability. According to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, GPT-4o will be available at half the price of GPT-4 Turbo and offer twice the speed with a 5x increased rate limit for developers. This means more companies and developers can integrate GPT-4o into their applications, making this powerful technology available to a wider audience. Security and ethical concerns. Despite its potential benefits, GPT-4o raises valid concerns about data privacy and security. Its ability to process real-time video and audio inputs means robust security measures and clear guidelines are necessary to protect user privacy and ensure ethical use. Additionally, there's the risk of biased or incorrect outputs, as GPT-4o is trained on data that may contain inherent biases. Google I/O 2024, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Project Astra. Now, let's shift our focus to Google I/O. Despite being somewhat overshadowed by OpenAI, Google had its own impressive announcements. The highlight was the introduction of Gemini 1.5 Pro, an AI model capable of handling a 2000 token context window. To put that in perspective, this model can process up to 2 hours of video content or 60,000 lines of code in one go. Firebase's big upgrade, introducing PostgreSQL. For developers, the most exciting announcement was Firebase Data Connect, which finally brings SQL capabilities to Firebase. This has been the most requested feature for years. Google has effectively positioned Firebase as a direct competitor to Supabase, which gained popularity by filling this gap. Firebase Data Connect integrates Postgres, allowing developers to leverage SQL within Firebase. This simplifies building and managing complex databases, a feature eagerly awaited by many developers. Alongside this, Google released Firebase GenKit, a tool integrated with Ollama to simplify creating AI-enabled API endpoints, and open Project IDX to the public. Hardware innovations. Trillium TPUs and Axion CPUs. Google also announced Trillium TPUs and Axion, a new line of ARM-based CPUs for data centers. These advancements aim to boost computational power and efficiency, crucial for handling the growing demands of AI and machine learning applications. Generative AI. Google's Veo versus OpenAI's Sora. On the generative AI front, Google unveiled Veo, a new video generation model poised to compete with OpenAI's Sora. While Veo is a significant improvement over last year's technology, it still seems to lag slightly behind Sora in terms of capability and innovation. The road ahead, challenges and opportunities. Despite these advancements, there's a growing sense of impatience in the AI community. It's been over a year since the release of GPT-4, and while models like Omni, Claude, and Gemini 1.5 are pushing boundaries, they seem to be hitting a plateau in terms of true intelligence and learning capabilities. The singularity, a point where AI surpasses human intelligence, still feels out of reach. Thanks for tuning in to Next Gen Business AI. We'll continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of technology. If you've made it this far, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more exciting updates, watch the recommended video on the screen now. See you next time.